As right as rain, unveiling the meaning behind the phrase. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used English idiom, as right as rain. This phrase might sound a bit puzzling at first, especially if you're trying to imagine how rain can be right. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. At right as rain is an idiom that means feeling perfectly well or in excellent health. It's often used to describe a person's state of being, especially when they're recovering from an illness or a setback. The phrase implies a return to a natural, desirable state of balance or normalcy, much like the refreshing and beneficial effects of a good rain. While the exact origin of as right as rain isn't clear, it's believed to have emerged in the 19th century. The phrase plays on the positive associations with rain that are prevalent in many cultures. Rain brings water, which is essential for life, agriculture, and the natural balance of the environment. Thus, being as right as rain suggests a state of natural correctness and well-being. To help you get a better grasp of how to use as right as rain, let's look at some examples. After a few days of rest and medication, I felt as right as rain. Don't worry about me, a good night's sleep and I'll be as right as rain. Once the technical issues were fixed, the system was running as right as rain again. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, not just related to health but also to describe situations or things returning to a good or functional state. It's also important to know when not to use this phrase, since as right as rain implies a positive outcome or state. It's not suitable for situations where there is still uncertainty, unresolved issues, or ongoing problems. Additionally, it's a fairly informal idiom, so it might not be appropriate in very formal or professional communication. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the idiom, as right as rain. Now that you understand what it means, its origins, and how to use it in conversation, we hope you'll start incorporating it into your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms are a fantastic way to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been as helpful as a gentle, nourishing rain. See you in our next lesson.